Hey, I'm Jo and I welcome you to my kitchen and to my baby-friendly recipes. I have an awesome recipe of orange cake with poppy seeds that definitely must be shared with you. For this, you need 180 grams of flour, 130 grams of yogurt, 15 grams of poppy seeds, 200 milliliters of fresh orange juice, 60 grams of butter, 4 eggs, I separated the white from the yolk, some butter to grease the dish, and some slices of orange to decorate the cake. I'll start by mixing the white egg till I get a white hard foam. All done here. Now I'm gonna mix the yolk egg with the butter, the yogurt, the orange juice, the poppy seeds, and the flour. Now I'm gonna add the white egg and I'll continue mixing. Now I'm gonna grease the dish with the butter. I'm gonna put the batter in it. And I'm gonna put it in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees for 40 minutes. Time's up, plus it started to turn brown. So let's take it out of the oven. You can decorate it with some slices of orange. When it reaches the temperature of the room, you can cut it. And enjoy it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more recipes, turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Bye!